Well, we've got new developments in the case against Mangione. He was back in court for the first time in 5 months amid the spectacle. His defense team scored a small legal victory. He entered the courtroom facing 11 charges and left facing 9.
The judge dismissing the 2 murder charges related to acts of terrorism, the most serious charges which deny the possibility of parole. Mangione accused of assassinating United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson in December of last year on a street in Midtown.
Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Carlo is live at the court in Lower Manhattan with details from today's proceedings. Anthony?
Sade, Mike, that's the victory. Luigi Mangione now has the possibility of parole if convicted, at least in the state trial. You know, the justice system has been going after Mangione with everything it's got. But today, for the first time, we saw the defense poke a significant hole. If you thought this was a slam dunk, think again.
Luigi Mangione exited the courtroom like a boxer who finally won a round.
The terrorism charges dropped!
The cult following he's attracted erupting in cheers when the judge decided to throw out the most severe charges, murder as a crime of terrorism in the slaying of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson last December.
I'm here to protest in favor of him getting a fair trial, but also to shine a light on the injustices of the healthcare system.
The accused assassin leaned over in his chair taking notes as Judge Gregory Carlo issued him a legal victory. The judge acknowledging evidence to support a premeditated and calculated execution, but noting there is no evidence to support a goal to intimidate and coerce a civilian population, even if the defendant expressed animus toward the healthcare industry.
If he had gotten up there and said, "I'm killing this gentleman because I want there to be an uproar in the country against healthcare people. Go out there and, do what you got to do," then it's an easy call. There's no such evidence, according to the court.
Michael Bachner, formerly a prosecutor in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, says the judge's decision to drop the terrorism charges against Mangione takes leverage away from the state in plea negotiations, but it does not change the defense team's approach. He expects an insanity defense.
Or it's going to be something called extreme emotional disturbance defense, where I'm not insane in a legal sense, but I was under some type of extreme emotional disturbance that prevented me from creating the intent necessary.
State case aside, the feds still want a piece of Mangione, and they're seeking the death penalty. But for the first time, he and his supporters have some momentum in the legal fight.
He's opened a huge can of worms in terms of people coming forward about their experiences in healthcare and how they were denied coverage.
Now, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office says it respects the court's decision and will proceed with the 9 remaining counts in this state trial. The judge did reject a request from Mangione to delay the state case if the feds were to try him first. Legal experts say that opens up the possibility of a motion being filed to dismiss the state case under double jeopardy, but legal experts say that is unlikely to happen. The next pretrial hearing in the state case is scheduled for December 1st. We're live in Lower Manhattan. Anthony Carlo, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.